Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another motivational video. This one is a laundry motivational video. Today I'm pretty much just gonna give you guys some folding motivation. I had a big pile of laundry that I had to fold, and this is actually the last load that I'm washing. So stick around and let's get our laundry done together. So I want to take this time to say hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and I am a mommy of 3. I have a 16-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 1-year-old. I'm married to my high school sweetheart, and I'm sorry you guys, something's going on with my throat. I think I'm losing my voice, so I'm trying to record this voiceover before that happens. But I just want to let you know that I am so thankful and grateful that you guys stopped by and that I really appreciate each and every one of you. So I like posting videos on Mommy Life. I like doing cleaning motivational videos along with other videos. If you like these types of videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All the clothes that I'm putting off to the side is what needs to be hung up. Now I'm going to put the clothes in the dryer. This is my last load. So this is the next day. When I was folding my laundry, my husband came in and he told me to get ready because he was taking me on a date, and we don't really go to that many we don't have that many dates because I don't like leaving them anywhere. And so he told me to get ready, and then he was taking me out, and so I got ready and he took me out, and so I just finished the day after. And so that's why I'm wearing different clothes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.